Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an eco-friendly home with EcoHouseMart, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching eco-friendly building practices and materials. Gather information on sustainable architecture and the benefits it offers. Identify your budget and funding options for your eco-friendly home. Choose a location that is suitable for sustainable living. Consider factors such as sunlight, wind direction, and access to resources. Design your home with passive energy principles in mind. Incorporate large windows for natural light and ventilation. Plan for proper insulation to maintain temperature control. Select sustainable building materials from EcoHouseMart. Look for options like bamboo, reclaimed wood, or recycled steel. Opt for eco-friendly insulation materials such as wool or cellulose. Implement energy-efficient systems in your design. Consider solar panels for renewable energy. Use energy-efficient appliances to reduce consumption. Incorporate water-saving fixtures and systems. Research rainwater harvesting systems to collect and use rainwater. Design a landscaping plan that includes native plants. Select plants that require minimal water and maintenance. Utilize permeable materials for driveways and walkways. This helps manage stormwater runoff effectively. Plan for efficient waste management and recycling solutions. Consider composting options for organic waste. Engage with local building codes and regulations. Ensure your design is compliant with eco-friendly standards. Work with experienced professionals who specialize in sustainable building. Consult architects and builders familiar with eco-friendly practices. Monitor construction closely to ensure adherence to sustainable methods. Implement green building certifications if applicable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.